We're going to show you to replace the center cap on your wheel for the Dodge Ram, located right here in the center of all 4 of your wheels. Using our 7/8 socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove our lug nuts. With the lug nuts removed, let's go ahead and remove that wheel and set it aside. And once you have your wheel off, you want to go ahead and spin it around. Use a tool with a soft nub on the end here and gently tap here. You're going to remove your center cap. You go ahead and take your center cap. You want to go ahead and make sure that the center here is clean. Line that up. In most cases, just a little bump will get it on for you. You're all set. You want to go ahead and repeat this process for the other 3 wheels. Go ahead and grab that wheel. And we're going to go ahead and get that installed. Get all of our lug nuts started by hand. Once we have all these on, we're going to go ahead and snug them down. Let's go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 135 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.